All right, start singing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. You sing it, Mom.
Let him blow him out.
Ready? Help me. 1, 2, 3. The trick there. I got it.
No, the cake is funny. The candle won't go out.
I asked for a musical one to give me magical
Spit on it.
Yay! We did it.
Looks like they want to start back up. Look at it.
I'm just turning this off now.